tour of the ultra hip king non-smoking room here at Planet Hollywood in Las Vegas. So when we enter, we have these really pretty patterned carpets. It's actually really nice. It smells nice and clean. A lot of room in the entryway. And we also have this nice little piece of artwork right here. In this room, immediately to the left is a double door entrance to a really nice bathroom. Super clean. We've got a deep soaking tub right here with a cool little piece of tiled artwork in the back there. We have the glam mirror with the glam lights all around it. And over here, as you can see, you can scan here and, you know, book something at the spa. We've got your classic toiletry items and all that. And then over here, you've got your standing shower that just looks really nice and clean. Here, I'll open it so you can see better. There we go. Very nice, very clean. I like it a lot. And close that up. And then we've got this separate toilet room. Cool wall pattern. Looks comfortable. Okay. Okay, then we're gonna go out here, turn to the left, and here we've got the rest of the room. Cute artwork, really nice sleek design. You have your office chair here with a lamp, the TV's right here. Over here, you have actually a fridge, not a mini bar. So you can use this however you want. If you brought any drinks of your own, turn that baby on. You got a little fridge in here, which is a luxury that not a lot of hotels on the Strip provide anymore. Then you have drawers here. There's like 3 of them. Nice size too. Ice bucket, couple cups. Got a nice big standing wardrobe closet thing. This is where everything else is. The ironing board, the luggage rack, hangers. Over here, there's an iron back there, and you got your safe. Okay. And cool, full-length mirror. So that's awesome. You can check yourself out before you hit the Strip. And then these open to have that beautiful view. Ours is just a roof and parking garage. Not much to see here, but I'll show you anyways. This is the top of the Miracle Mile shops. So that's that. Okay, nice couch, lamp, nightstand with drawer, lamp, a little alarm clock. Here's a front view of the bed. They're planet friendly. Oh my gosh, I want to go there. Nice little seating area right there. Just 2 chairs and a table, and a cute little design in the background. We're definitely gonna go grab some food and chill in here for a little bit and eat our lunch. So yeah, that is the ultra hip king non-smoking room in Planet Hollywood, Las Vegas. All right, we are back at the room. We just walked around the Miracle Mile shops in Planet Hollywood, and we placed a to-go order at our favorite restaurant, Ocean One, because it is ridiculously popular now. Ocean One has gotten so crazy. Like, the wait times are insane. It's so worth it. That's why it makes sense why it's so popular. But so anyways, we ordered there, and then we walked around the mall, and you got yourself a hat. You want to show the people your beautiful new hat, babe? Wow, look at that. That's cool, babe. What is this supposed to be for?
It's the Aviators, the Las Vegas minor league baseball team.
Slick. Look at it. It's so fresh. Nice. There. Cool. And now we chow down. Look at my salad. So delicious. And your burger. Oh my God, I'm so excited. And drinks.
Women got the one up on our shoulders and we chillin'. We are warriors so you can do the dishes, and we never take a day off. You think that you're dying when you cough, 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 cough. To all my ladies, you've been blessed. Know you're worth nothing less than the best. To all my ladies, you've been blessed. Stand up top of your chest. You gon' be the greatest.
What are you thinking, babe?
I think the Japanese pearl drop.
Whoa, raspberry sorbet. Okay. I think I want to go for the Coco Loco or agave dulce de leche. Which one?
Which one?
Yeah, which one do you think? Both of them have tequila.
Yes.
I'm gonna do Coco Loco. This is amazing. Oh my god, which one did you get?
Japanese pearl drop.
Yep.
It's a raspberry ice cream. Delicious.
Wow, look at mine. It tastes like French vanilla mixed with coconut, mixed with everything on this earth. It's amazing. By the way, Abi and Ramza is in Caesar's Palace. It is the best liquor-infused ice cream that we've ever had. It is so delicious. So we walked all the way over here from Planet Hollywood just to get Abi and Ramza. Like, if you guys are in town, you have to go to Caesar's Palace. Right in the casino, you'll find Abi and Ramza. So delicious. Okay, so we ordered from this restaurant, Ocean One, for lunch. I already said that. So we're back. We're gonna order a little appetizer because YOLO, like who cares, you know? Of course, we had to get our calamari.
Saying let's go. You look like a bad boy, and I ain't tryna act coy. Gotta say I really, really like it. You look like a bad boy, and I ain't tryna act coy. Gotta say I really, really like it. So talented, baby, I'm loving it. The way you pop on that cigarette. You look like a bad boy, and I ain't tryna act coy. Gotta say I really, really like it. We've been fighting for the last 2 weeks, and I know you blocked my number cause the text turned green. And nobody said that love was gonna be easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now I'm sounding cheesy, but this is just the same routine. Blow up, make up, then you're calling me queen. You're like a blessing and a curse. Every day it gets worse, but without you I would lose my whole world. They tell me you're bad, but I think you're good. I know that you really just misunderstood. They're telling me to leave, but I'ma stay put. I can reach it like an open book. I can't resist.
We are waiting for our Gordon Ramsay Burger takeout. So the lines are so long that they are literally turning people away because they just cannot take their orders in time. So we ordered some burgers, and they have the Impossible Patty for me for anything. So I can just substitute any of their burgers with an Impossible Patty and still experience the full effect. So I am doing the Hell's Kitchen burger, and I'm super excited to try it. And Boo is doing the American burger, which is a very simple burger, but it should be extra delish. It's like an hour to an hour and a half for to-go orders. So, you know, it's only been like 30 to maybe 40 minutes. So we're waiting, but I think it's gonna be worth it. So after like a 2-hour wait, we finally have Gordon Ramsay Burger to go. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so I got myself the Hell's Kitchen Burger. So it has avocado, tomato, it's got a jalapeno on it, it's got jalapeno aioli. I can't remember what kind of cheese that is. And then I replaced the patty with an Impossible. So, you know, that's exciting. And then you've got
Burger, cheese, bacon, bread.
your burger, cheese, bacon, and bread. So a very basic burger, but done the Gordon Ramsay way. And what would you say you'd rate it, babe?
The best burger I've ever had.
Seriously?
For real. It's delicious.
Oh
It's like shockingly, it's a burger. It's just better than the rest.
Oh my god. And then we got some fries here. Okay, so these are the sauces that they just included. So this seems like a homemade ketchup. And this is like a homemade barbecue. Like, no matter what, it was like made in kitchen, which is very impressive. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's a big burger. It was like the size of your face.
I know, I'm gonna
put it in
turn
front of your face. Not in front of it. Block your whole face. There you go.
Usually it's like to the side.
Big burger, I know.
This is a giant piece of avocado that I'm gonna have part of it.
Pig clothing designer. I'm a pig clothing designer. Maybe my guess was wrong. Here's the story in your own words.
Good?
Out for a fancy meal.
Oh my god.
And that's the impossible one, right?
Mm-hmm.
No meat on there.
I hope it's the impossible. It's so good. Oh my god. This is the best tasting burger I've ever had in my life. Wait, I gotta try it with the sauce now. A little bit? Okay. Oh my god, could you imagine if this, like, if they got it wrong and it wasn't, like, it was, like, real meat? Wow. Okay. Alright, Gordon Ramsay. Okay. Worth the 2 hour wait. 2 hour wait. 2 hour wait. Alright. Worth it.
You gon' be the greatest. Show 'em what you made of. You gotta keep it.
Alright, well, that's the end of our trip. We are on our way back right now. We fueled up at the gas station. We got ourselves some Starbucks. And now you're also eating some chips. We are on our way. And in fact, we're going to cross the border again into California, leaving Nevada. But man, it's been a super nice, fun, awesome anniversary trip with you, babe. I appreciate it. Oh my god, that burger. I'm still dreaming about the Gordon Ramsay burger.
Yeah, we're coming back for another one.
I was just raving about it to my mom this morning, and it's just like, it's something you rave about. Like, I will keep raving about it until forever. Oh, I lost money at the casino though, but not that much. I put in like 20 bucks and I was just losing, and I got down to like $7.05, and I was like, all right, I'm done losing money. So only lost a little bit, not too bad. But yeah, all in all, awesome. The lake house, amazing, and everything. Okay, we're about to cross. Look, there's the Welcome to California sign. And oh god, we're getting stopped. In California.
Welcome to traffic.
Welcome to Traffic City. I can't wait to see Olive.
Can't wait either, our little fur baby.
Our little fur baby. Good to see her today.
You look like a bad boy, and I ain't tryna act coy. Gotta say I really, really like it. You look like a bad boy, and I ain't tryna act coy. Gotta say I really, really like it. So toxic, baby, I'm loving it. The way you pop for nasty going. You look like a bad boy, and I ain't tryna act coy. Gotta say I really, really like it. Bad boy.
Time to see Olive.
Gonna make her monkey noises.
She's gonna make monkey noises, I know. Oh, I hear her monkey noises. Hello! Hi! Hello, everybody! Hi, my love! I know, okay, let's go hurry up! Let's go hurry up! I know! It's been days! It's been days. I know. Come on outside. Everyone outside. Okay. Hello. Hi. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Hi, you're gorgeous. I know. It's been a little while.
Oh my gosh, my girl. Hi. Hello.